These are my dragon fruits that I staked. I think it's been a month and a half. A closer look at them. This one has really defined spines. I actually need to get some better gloves. Grown a lot. So it's grown a lot of little pieces. So I'll get rid of those. Get rid of these little attachments so that it can continue growing up this. But this one, appendages off here, and the main one is this big one right here. This one, I'll go ahead and cut this off and plant it. This one's going down. Get rid of those so it's just this big one growing. It's really big. This one, I think it's the only one that I staked multiple ones. This one turned into this, then it grew up here, and it's continued growing. This one right here. There you go. There's another one. I might just get rid of this since this isn't growing anymore. This one goes all the way up here. I think this is my tallest one. Just had a mishap. There you go. And this one that keeps falling over. So this one has a big chunk. I'll take this one off. One big segment. Here, then it's bent over. I'm going to support that one. So all of these are going to get either repotted, resupported. Segment's going to be broken off and planted. And hopefully encourage these big ones to keep growing. Tammy. So actually 2 weeks ago, I gave Tammy some fertilizer, and last week I came and all the leaves had fallen off, like almost all of them, especially the older stuff. So I was like, oh snap, did I give it too much fertilizer? And it was also in direct sunlight, so I think that didn't help. But it's been here for at least a week, I think. But now new leaves have come back. It's also grown new branches. So this is green branch. This one right here. Nice new green branch. Just a lot of new pieces. Like this right here. That's the tallest point. I'm still gonna let it do what it wants. I'm still very hesitant to prune it, but like this is like just pruning worthy stuff right now. And I might just keep it here in partial sun, partial shade. It's been like 100 degrees for the past, last week, and expect to be over 100 this week. So I think not getting watered regularly, getting fertilizer, then the heat, I don't think that was a very good combination. But she's bounced back, looking really good. Leave her here. Oh, I'm gonna repot this thing. Pineapple got really huge, so I'll put it in its own pot today. It's not, leaching. But Tammy looks really good so far, and it's still August. It'll still be hot for at least maybe 2 months. By mid-October, the weather should change to get colder and the days will get shorter. Usually by time change, daylight savings, which would be the first week of November, that's when I start to prepare for winter. Still got some time left. It's still hot. Still has a lot of growing to do, so make sure that it keeps on growing.